I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is how it failed, where we look at how products that I've used in my house and tested sometimes for years at a time end up ultimately breaking. So you can see where the weak points are, what might happen for your own product. And in this case, we're going to look at the GE Relax light bulb. So these are LED light bulbs, General Electric, good brand. They have a rated lifetime of 13 years. In my case, I've used this bulb for 2.5 years and it eventually failed. And the way that it failed, actually, the light went out, but you can see some telltale signs of problems here. The plastic yellowed a bit over time, probably from the heat of the bulb, and then ultimately started to crack on here. And we can see these little hairline cracks along the top, the bigger crack along the side of the bulb here. And then ultimately the problem beyond these aesthetic issues is that the LED just stopped working. And again, about 2.5 years of use out of this bulb before that happened. So, it's not the 13-year rated life, but I leave my light on for a lot longer. So the caveat to that 13-year rated lifespan on these LED bulbs is if you're using them for 3 hours a day. So it's like a 15,000 hour lifespan. I leave my lights on for longer than that because I'm using these on the sort of main light in my living area, and you're not going to get 13 years out of this thing if you use it more frequently. Again, still pretty good, 2.5 years. I think that's better than I probably would have gotten from an incandescent. Certainly used less power over that time frame, but ultimately we see the yellowing of the plastic, the cracking, and then the ultimate failure of the LED itself, and that is how it failed.